Straighten your wheels. Straighten your wheels. All right, come forward. Come forward. That's good. Keep coming. Whoa, whoa, stop. Whoa, that's far enough. Whoa. What are you doing? I said stop.
The new guy just hit your truck.
Are you serious? Hey, I'm gonna need you to go on home. Go ahead and gather up your things and head home, because you're not working in a safe way. Hey, go to the truck and get me a Sawzall blade, would you? I don't know what is taking so long. I said a Sawzall blade. That's a stick. I need you to untangle these and make sure every single bulb is working. I'm gonna go set up the ladder. Stay right there and hold the ladder. You're holding the ladder, right? Hey! I thought you were holding the ladder. I hired this new guy at work about 6 months ago, and every single day he keeps asking me, when you gonna get me a company truck? Now, to be fair, I did tell him when he first started, if things went well and he did a good job, I would think about getting him a truck. But to be honest, he's had a lot of accidents. Within the first couple weeks after I hired him, he backed into my truck with a skid steer, and then he plowed into a bunch of duct work with a scissor lift. Don't get me wrong, he's a good guy, but he's always in a hurry and he doesn't really listen. So today I finally told him. I said, dude, I'm gonna do my best to get you a set of wheels. Now I'm not paying for a brand new $80,000 diesel pickup, but let me see what I can put together for you. Between me and you, I'm a little nervous about putting him on my insurance, so I figured maybe I could come up with something a little different. As soon as I dropped it off, I could tell he was really excited about it. I told him, just take it easy. It's a brand new vehicle and you're not used to it. Let's just say I was glad he was wearing his helmet. It's been a hard week for all of us at House Plans. One of our new employees got in a bad accident. Unfortunately, he was driving a new truck I'd given him and completely lost control. Not only did he break his tailbone, but he went into a deep coma. Right away, the doctor started pumping him full of antibiotics and Mountain Dew, while keeping an eye on his vital signs. To be honest, I felt super guilty for giving him such a powerful vehicle. As I sat there watching him, the whole thing kept replaying through my mind. I had felt completely hopeless, just waiting for the ambulance to show up. But then out of nowhere, he snapped out of his coma and woke up. He surprised us all the next day by stopping by the job site. The doctors had him use these wheels as an extra precaution. He even asked to drive the forklift, but I said that's probably not the best idea. The doctors didn't think it would be long at all before he could come back to work and do the things he loves to do. Scrolling on his phone, wasting time in the Porta-John, and pounding energy drinks while eating his favorite gas station burritos. What happened here? You gotta be kidding me. Are you okay? What happened? Were you on your phone again? Hang on, I'm gonna go get a strap. I'll be right back. Hey man, don't worry about it. These things happen. Just get right back to plowing, okay?